Let's talk about stacked EMAs, one of the cleanest ways to identify strong trending conditions. An EMA is an exponential moving average. It tracks the average price over a specific number of periods, but it gives more weight to recent prices. That makes it more responsive to current price action than a simple moving average. This study uses 5 EMAs, the 8, 13, 21, 34, and 55 period. These are all Fibonacci numbers, and they're commonly used because they tend to align with natural market rhythms and trader behavior. When all 5 EMAs are stacked in order above each other, that's called a bullish stack. It will display in light green. It means the short-term, medium-term, and long-term trends are all aligned to the upside. When they're stacked in reverse, that's a bearish stack and will display in pink. All the trends are aligned to the downside. Yellow means neutral. The EMAs are mixed and not in a clean stack. Use this as a confirmation tool. If you're looking at a long setup and the stacked EMAs are light green, that's confluence. The trend is with you. If they're yellow or pink, you might want to wait for better alignment. That covers this study. When you're ready to add it to your charts, my TOS Chart Styles video is where you want to go. That's where I walk through my complete chart style setups and share the flex grid so you can use these studies too. If you found this helpful, share with your friends, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching.